Then, wala na, kapaduha ko yata.
Once again, thank you everyone. Those who joined today's launching of ANR Dial 911. We would like to request our guests for a photo op. We would like to request our guests. Please join in the photo op with our regional directors. We would like to request other guests to please remain their seats. As we prepare for the next part of our program, which is our caravan.
Supported by the regional office culture. Dito po sir na marami pa rin yung mga factor activity na nangyayari. Especially dito sa po, dalawang members ng BCPO personnel na nasa BCPO were targeted by the staffers po. What's your take on that, RT, sir?
Well, based on statistics, bumaba talaga na crime incident natin dito. No? Pero yung mga sinasabi natin na hindi naman napipigil lahat, that's correct. Pero ang importante, generally, bumababa siya. So yung itong mga pailan-ilan na aksidente, ito yung kailangan i-address pa ng ating kapulisan. Kaya nag-launch tayo
For our caravan
sa
proper,
NIR, dahil 911, para mas mapabilis pa ang responde ng ating kapulisan at matigil itong mga crime incident na mangyayari dito sa paligid natin.
RT, what's your warning sa mga nagtatarget sa mga kapulisan natin right after what happened last time?
Well, nakita niyo naman, arrested yung mga suspect natin. So para sa mga kriminal o masasamang tao na gustong ang ating kapulisan, I think hindi kayo magtatagumpay kasi our police is ready, we are prepared, so we will address all the situation in the ground. Dapat ang police natin ay laging in control of the situation.
Are we implementing the 5-minute rule just like in the past, sir? Na dapat after dialing, in 5 minutes nandiyan na yung kapulisan natin or depende pa din in terms of proximity po?
Yes, it depends on the proximity kasi yung 5-minute rule natin dati sa NCR yon. Pero dito naman sa highly urbanized na city, we will check yung pinakamabilis na response time natin. Basta sinabi natin sa ating city director, basta nakatanggap tayo ng tawag o responde, the soonest possible time dapat makaresponde ang ating police. Actually, meron kaming tinatawag na simulation exercises. Para ito yung parang practice natin sa mga kapulisan natin. Kapag naka-receive sila ng tawag from 911, paano sila mag-responde. And then meron tayong mga designated na points kung saan nandun sila naka-standby. Ito yung tinitingnan natin during statistics. Dito mas marami nangyayaring crime incident. So doon tayo nagtatambay ng mga foot patrol natin, ganda ng checkpoint operation. So nasa proximity ng ating kapulisan.
what tayo kung kailan localize.
Actually, sa ibang area, tulad sa Iloilo ngayon, nandun actually sila, SIM, si President Bongbong, nag-launch din sila ng 911. So ito naman sa atin, I think the local government of Bacolod is also planning to localize it. Pero sa amin, hindi naman kailangan na dahil existing na ang program ng Dial 911 sa national, which is napakabilis naman itawag dito sa ating pulisan.
Additional benefit to support this program.
Yes, yes. Marami tayong mga bagong procurement. Actually, magdadagdag pa tayo ng mga radios, tapos mga body-worn cameras na parating. Ito ay effort ng ating Chief PNP, si Lieutenant, si